This is the Customs Brokerage Access um, database. We have 5 sections on the left side: table, queries, forms, reports, and modules. You may have the sections expanded this way or collapsed. We're going to start talking about the question bank. Double click on the forms section, questions bank. You will see all the questions added. The number is a auto-generated subsequent field that we don't have to worry about. You will worry about the other fields. And I'm going to show you how to create a new question. To navigate through the questions, look at the bottom of the screen where it says record, and there's some buttons here. Single VCR button lets you navigate question by question. You can go to the first record or the last record, or you can go to specific record just by typing the number. That number is an auto-generated number that you don't see here at the top of the screen. That has no relationship with the numbers given by the customs. This is an access auto-generated subsequent number to keep track of the number of questions he has. If you want to add a new one, you're going to click on that VCR with the yellow star button that says new blank record. The number field is left blank. Then just type the question and the multiple answers that you want to show up in the exam. If you have a whole new exam to add, you should just let me bulk load the entire exam. You click the tab key in order to navigate. Make sure you select the correct answer, and this exam date is very important that they all have the same type. There shouldn't be any spaces in the beginning or the end. And this is the customs exam question number as it appeared. Once you're done, simply click enter until the screen is blank, and notice that now we have 2341 out of 2341. You can go find the one we just added. Now that we have added our question, it's time for us to create an exam. You can go to the form section and click on the test master. Notice there are two sets of navigations. The most lowest one, I should say the lowest one, is the keys. So we have two tests saved. The one in the middle is the questions within that exam. So in order to add a new test, we gotta go to the bottom set of controls, click on the new, and this comes up. Select a date. I'm gonna say this is April exams, so I'm gonna call it April 2016 exam. And click enter until it's gone. What I mean by gone or save is you either click save or you exit out, go back to the test master, and notice at the bottom I have 1 of 3 now. Let's go to the last one, and it's right here. In order to add a question, You select from the drop down, and they are sorted by the source, which is in the square brackets, and it's sorted alphabetically, not numerically. The number on the left is the question number. This one that you don't see here, but you know it's here, is this one. So, to add a question, you have to go to the sections you're working on, click on the question, and add. The one we were working on, or the one I just added, I think I said section 91. So you have to scroll to that section. And then click save once you're finished. Let's just add one more question. Now, I'll click save. Now, we're going to generate a key for the exam. Press that button once, and it tells us the key is number 7. Now, we can close that window, and let's go back in. Now we go back to the last exam, and you see we have a key 7. We can print the student exam if you don't want to see the answer, or we print the answer key, which has what we just added with the 3 questions. This concludes the normal usage of the Access database. If you need to see the raw data, they are all on the table sections. You can look at the questions bank, and here are all the questions. That will be on the table section. And if you have exams, bulk exams to load in, I will be happy to add them and send them to you. Thank you.